sound in my timeless domain. My blood pulses within you. No matter. It will only serve my victorious return. There is no escape from your fate. Grovel before your kin. On your knees. Kneel and die. Run, little whelp. Feel the heartbeat of your doom. There is no escape from your fate. Kneel to my doom. Darkness comes to claim you. Grovel before your king. Fleeing a vortex of blood where all things end. On your knees. No mercy for you. Will learn to obey. I am the darkness that devours all. Feed my hunger. Kneel and die. No mercy. You are a shadow, an imitation. This is what it means to be king. Behold the might of a king. The ground weeps sanguine tears. I will be your doom. Witness the might of the true immortal king. Run, little whelpling. In the end, my power reigns supreme. This is the end! I am the ghost of your fears. Feel the bloodstorm's tide! The ground weeps sanguine tears! This is the end! Feel the bloodstorm. More bones to adorn my halls. The ground weeps sanguine tears. Death is my ally. Feel the bloodstorm's tide. The ground weeps sanguine tears. Flee from your inevitable demise. Flee will not save you. My superiority eclipses all. I am the relentless. Feel the bloodstorm's tide. The ground weeps sanguine tears. Darkness comes to claim you. I drain the life from your veins. This is the end! Feel the bloodstorm's tide! The ground weeps sanguine tears! Feel the bloodstorm's tide! Darkness comes to claim you. Kneel and die. I am the Undying. The ground weeps sanguine tears. This is eternal power. This is the end! I am the master of blood and shadows. There is no escape from your fate. Feel the bloodstorm's tide! The ground weeps sanguine tears! I am the ghost of your fears. Feel the bloodstorm's tide! You will learn to obey. This is the end! In the night, my power reigns supreme. No! Impossible! You think you can defeat me? I am inevitable! Death will not hold me forever. possible? How can my own powers betray me? Witness the might of the true immortal king! Defeated by my own power. There could be no other way.